Hey, what's up guys? This is Amin and you're watching your favorite channel Learn with Amin. Today I want to talk about YouTube Video SEO client. Yes, this is very important tutorial for YouTube Video SEO learner who is actively looking for a client to sell their service. Okay, so this video is very interesting, and if you want to get your first client, YouTube Video SEO client, this video is only for you. So let's get started. First of all, we want to know how can we get our first YouTube video SEO client. If you missed my YouTube video SEO course, you should watch the playlist from my YouTube channel. Okay, so I want to share two methods today. Method is go to Google, then search channel crawler. This is very interesting. Just search channel crawler, then you will find the website channelcrawler.com. I want to visit this website. Okay, let's go. Then you will find this website, and just if you want, you can easily log in with your mail. You will see the filter option. Normally I am looking for educational and musical categories channel to sell my YouTube SEO service, so that's why I have just selected here education and music. If you want to change, definitely when you visit first time there are no filter, so I have visited before, that's why showing these kinds of filter here. So here is education, and if you want to add any more any more categories, like I want to add entertainment, just click here and that will be added. Okay, so the language is English, and I want to just target the country, United States and United Kingdom. And here is the another filter like subscriber, and the maximum subscriber will be 1000. So that's perfect, I think. Then nothing change, and just go to search filter, and after that you should wait few seconds and you will see this kinds of interface, and you should definitely sign up with your email. So I'm going to sign up with my Gmail. Click the sign up option with your Gmail, then you will find the option, your sign up option, then sign up with your Gmail account. That's perfect, I think. And now I want to click search filter again, and I want to see the channel database. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Here all the information, and now what we can do now, you should just click all the channel, and for the free plan you will get some information from the search area, and if you want to get more information like email or some advanced information, you should purchase the premium plan. Okay, so now how can you find your clients? Here are lots of, here you will see lots of channel information is here. You just click here to open the YouTube channel, then you should analyze this. If you have missed my video YouTube video SEO full course, you should watch from my playlist. Definitely after that you can easily find out who is your targeted clients. So I want to share my next method. So simply go to Google and search Playboard. After that you will see the website Playboard, and I want to visit here. Then I want to search with my niche, like I am looking for business course. So then just type here and hit enter. After that you will see the filter option, and I want to select country, United States, other country, like more countries from here, like Canada. Okay, and then I want to select my maximum subscriber will 1000, and here the showing result. Now you just copy the channel name and go to YouTube, and to go YouTube, and I want to search with this channel name. Okay, and I hope I will get the client channel. So this is the channel, and after that I will just visit here and I will analyze all the videos. If I will see the video is not optimized, definitely I will offer and I will share my strategy with this client. I will get the projects. This is the process. And if you want to get more, how can you create, or how can you send the personalized email, and how can you offer, definitely I will make a video. If you want, please comment below. Okay, so this tool is very helpful to get YouTube video SEO clients, and I think this video is very helpful for you guys. And if you think this video is very helpful, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video and share this video with your friends.